today let's start with chapter number 4, rocks and minerals. So our planet Earth, it is made up of rocks. Rocks are found everywhere on the earth, whether it is under the sea or under the soil. चाहे वो sea के अंदर हो या soil के अंदर हो. And we can say that rocks are made up of natural occurring substance, what we call them minerals. So what are minerals? Minerals is a non-living natural substance which is neither a plant nor animal. A rock may have one or more minerals and minerals are not found in pure state. So what are they? They are found in a mixture जिसे हम ores कहते हैं, right? Rocks are generally different from one another in terms of their origin, color, texture, in types of metal they contain. किस तरीके का matter उनके अंदर है. So rocks has been divided into 3 different categories. We have igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic. So let's first start with the igneous rock. It is formed by the cooling of lava above or just under the surface of the earth, right? So when the hot molten rock known as magma pushes outside, it is known as lava. और जो word igneous है उसका मतलब क्या होता है? It is made from fire or heat. So basalt is formed when lava cools just above the surface. Granite is formed when magma cools slowly under the ground, and it is used for making floors, slabs, and such statues. Then you have pumice. It is called lava front, which gas trapped inside, and these pockets of gases make it very light in weight, and pumice is used as a scrubber. जिससे आप क्या remove करते हो? Rough skin from the body. Now kinds of sedimentary rock. We have different types of sedimentary rocks, right, which is made up of pieces of rocks. जो rocks के pieces की बनी होती है, mud की, pebbles की, gravels की, right? And these materials get squeezed together as more and more layers settles on them, and they together form a solid rock. एक solid rock form कर रहे. Now we have conglomerate, which is a rock consisting of gravel, stone, pebbles, which solidify, and what it forms rock. Then we have limestone, which is made up of calcite, calcium carbonate, right? They are found in seashells and coral. Now shale is formed from clay and mud deposit. Shale is made up of pallor layer, right? So dolomite, it is a limestone, but contains magnesium also. What it contains? It contains magnesium also. Now kinds of metamorphic rock. We have different type of metamorphic rock. It is formed by both igneous as well as sedimentary rock. Like rocks have been subjected to extreme heat and pressure. Metamorphic का मतलब क्या होता है? Change. जब change होता है उसे metamorphic है. Like marble, it is made from limestone. It is found in various colors and you can cut it easily. आप इसको easily क्या कर सकते हो? Cut कर सकते हो. State in metamorphic state, it can split into sheets. It is used for making blackboards, roofs and village huts. Huts की जो roof होते हैं उसको बनाने के काम. Now quartzite is found from sandstone. It is in glass and ceramic industries for making statues. We have grison. That is a metamorphic granite. It is parallel lines of mineral and reters because of mica present in it. Then we have minerals are solid material found inside the earth. यहाँ पे आपको elements और compounds देखने को मिलेंगे दोनों चीज. जैसे आपका gold हो गया, your silver, your pencil leaf. These all are your minerals which are found in solid. They are found in mixture called ores which have to be dug out from the under the earth. और कुछ आप देखेंगे कि कुछ जो आपके minerals होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा hard होते हैं, जैसे ruby, diamond. These are the hard minerals. Then let's see about the fossil fuels. So fossils are the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the earth million of years ago, and these fossils turned into fossil fuel. ये fossil fuel में turn हो जाते हैं. And due to heat and pressure, log period of time तक इन पे heat और pressure लगता है, तो ये change होता है. Coal is fossil fuel formed from the remains of dead and due to heat and pressure of rocks and soil. Above them, जो dead remains है, they change into the coal. Petroleum is formed from the organism that lived in the sea, and due to heat and pressure, they got compressed and they change into thick liquid called petroleum or crude oil. So we can say petroleum can be taken out by digging deep wells under the sea. Crude petroleum we refined है in oil refineries जो क्या produce करता है? Petrol, diesel and natural gas. Now let's start with the conversation of soil. Conversation of fossil fuel. So all fossil fuel, whether coal, petroleum, natural gas, they take million of years. So what happened? The demand of fuel, they are increasing day by day. Day by day क्या हो रही है? वो increase हो रही है, and due to increase in population, urbanization, industrialization. Fuel conservation can be done in following ways. First is use alternative fuel. आप solar energy, wind energy, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एनर्जी, इन सबका यूज कर सकते हो। ये नॉन पॉल्यूटिंग है, ये पॉल्यूशन नहीं करती है। स्विच ऑफ फैंस एंड लाइट व्हेन नॉट इन यूज, कवर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस, encourage carpooling and public transport, switch off the vehicle engine at red light, get your vehicle checked। आपको जो आपके व्हीकल की जो पॉल्यूशन है उसको चेक करवाना चाहिए, राइट। दिस इज ऑल। नाउ लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। रिमेन्स ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स अंडर द अर्थ, fossils। It is a hard and smooth metamorphic rock, slate, that is obtained from fossils of sea animals, that is coal। When magma cools and hardens, जो petroleum rock होता है वो क्या form करता है? It forms sedimentary। It is very important to dash the usage of reduce। Marble is an example of dashed rock। डैश इज अ फॉसिल फ्यूल। आपको बताना है इसमें से फॉसिल फ्यूल क्या है? पेट्रोलियम। डैश आर सॉलिड मिनरल्स। डैश इज मेड अप ऑफ कैल्साइट। मार्बल, दैट इज कॉल्ड लावा फ्रॉट। Now true false, coal is used as fuel for cooking food। False। Chalk is a kind of sandstone। It's true। Petrol is used for dry clean of woolen clothes। False। Now pumice is like a igneous rock। It's true। All rock contain important minerals। It's true। Next is name the following। A rock used as a scrubber। आपको rock बताना है जिसको हम as a scrubber use करते हैं, right? That is your igneous rock। Hot liquid mineral mass inside the earth, what we call it? We call it magma। Aphromite, gemstone, diamond, anything you can write। Mineral from which metal can be extracted, what we call it? जिसमें हम मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं उस मिनरल को क्या कहा जाता है? That is metallic mineral। All fossil fuel take dash year, तो thousands of years। Now how are igneous rock formed? Answer the following question। आपको बताना है igneous rock कैसे formed होते हैं। Why is pumice a light color rock? How is coal formed? And why should fossil fuel be used carefully? And you have to define different groups of rocks, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.